Recently, I signed up a new member with Recruitemy, Trevor, who lives in Vancouver, and it's been an incredible experience working with this young man. He has been a model student in the sense that I've never seen someone so committed to being successful, someone who understands what it takes to start a business, isn't afraid to spend money and invest in himself and tools and everything you would need to really not go through all the blood, sweat, and tears that I had to go through because nobody taught me the things that I'm now teaching Trevor and countless other new recruiters who are starting their own recruiting businesses. But I've been case studying Trevor from day one. So he joined about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And what you're going to see in this video, I'm going to pan into our first onboarding call where we got Trevor's intake form to start his campaign. And then I'm going to show you a 50% conversion rate where he already got a response from a hiring manager after just 2 outreaches. He got 1 response, 50%. He was also part of another recruiting coach, will remain nameless. I'll just tell you, it's a person who screams into the camera, works on his video production and tells people to pitch 10% fees. I call that the flea market recruiting system, which we are not. If you can get 25, 30% fees, why would you shoot any lower? You have to have confidence in yourself. You have to have value in yourself. And it's all about posturing and positioning yourself with your client. You are always in control. Don't ever work in desperation. Stop working in fear. If you operate that way, you should not own a business, period. I don't care if it's recruiting. I don't care if it's a lawn service. Doesn't matter what it is. The way you present yourself and the value that you see in yourself should be strong at all times. So Trevor, what you're going to see here is a quick clip of our first onboarding with his intake form, and then talking about the video production that we're doing with him. And then we went ahead and created, let me go ahead and minimize my face here, his first Liga campaign, which looks like this. We've got several tabs down here that don't really make sense to you right now because you're not a member, but if you were, I could explain it to you. But basically, we integrate with multi-channel sales platforms on the internet to help our members get jobs. Okay, so typically what I'm seeing is lots of recruiters most need jobs, need recruiting clients. They're stressed about that. They don't know how to do it. These other recruiting coaches are teaching cold email techniques that don't work. If you're blitzing cold email every day and sending 500 or 1,000 emails, also through Facebook, you're wasting your time and spinning your wheels and chasing your tail. It's 87% of emails go to a hiring manager's junk, spam, same thing with candidates, or the company's firewall will block you. So no one's seeing your emails for the most part. This system has a 90% open rate, 90, okay? 35% response rate. In this instance, which you're going to see here in a second, we got a 50% response rate. So nobody's doing this. It's a phenomenal way to get jobs and close business and grow and scale your staffing company. I use this system myself for my staffing company, ConnectGen. It's allowed me to get enough money to build on the money that we have in the capital to hire more recruiters, hire more salespeople, and scale my staffing company once again. I haven't found any other marketing sales pipeline system better than the Liga. Coupled with one-on-one personalized videos that you send out through multi-channels, which we teach you how to do. This is the secret sauce right here that nobody's doing. So let's go ahead and show you a quick call with Trevor. I have a really good idea of crafting this Boolean search for you. So we'll start working on this Monday. Hopefully by Tuesday, Wednesday, we're ready to go. I'm not going to press the go button until you and I talk, so don't worry about that.
Yeah, great. I want to be completely ready and prepared. Yeah.
Yeah, and then the next thing is you and I will start working on the video, practicing the videos. You're going to be great on video, I can already tell. Camera looks good. I want you to have good lighting, good audio, but everything sounds good so far. You have enough for what you need to get going.
Great. I actually have also a DSLR camera. I can hook that up to the computer if that's even better.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm a big fan of just making it look crystal clear. And,
high quality.
Yeah, it can't hurt, you know?
Okay.
This is your business. This is your first impression. You want to make sure it looks awesome. That's how I feel about it. So
yeah, for sure. I agree.
Awesome. Okay, so now Trevor applied this Liga strategy a week later from that conversation. We were able to get his campaign up and running. Leads started pouring in, as you can see right here. We got leads to this spreadsheet that we share with him within his niche. He started getting responses, and just the other day on Friday, Trevor messaged me right here. Let me move this over. And this was exciting. So, I mean, Trevor and I talk all throughout the day, pretty much every day, he'll tell you. Phone calls, texting, emailing, or through Facebook Messenger. So he wrote, looks like this is something geared more towards the long term, but hey, super excited. I got a response from sending out just 2 videos. Wow, am I so pumped? I'm so pumped. And then this was an example of the response that he got from a targeted hiring manager. It's pretty lengthy, but basically, I mean, this hiring manager took time to write back to Trevor from his video, which is a great sales pipeline builder for him right now. This is what he needs, momentum, little wins like this to build his sales pipeline. Now, this person, Dave Cochran, isn't going to buy from Trevor today, but he may buy from him in a month or 2 from now. And this is a great way for Trevor to start building and cultivating a relationship with the manager. So 2 videos yielded this response from a hiring manager that Trevor never knew, that we developed for him on the Liga system through this lead generation process right here. He shot the video, and then he got that response. Really excited for Trevor. I can't wait till he does 50 or 100 videos. Can't wait to see what his conversions are. He's been a model student. We're building out his website right now, his logo. I think I have an example of his logo, which we're kind of going through some different samples right now. Yeah, here it is. So here's the logo that we're looking at for him. It's got a great name, Search Tide. My IT person is building out his website right now. It should be finalized this week. And just really excited. So can't say enough good things about Trevor and what he's doing right now. And this could be you as well. If you're looking to start your own recruiting business, don't start blind. You won't make it. It's difficult. Owning a recruiting company is not easy. Let me show you how to get jobs, show you how to find the candidates. There's so much we can teach you with Recruitemy.